Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech, where I review the latest gadgets and tech products. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Apple Watch Series 9, which was released in September 2024. The Apple Watch Series 9 is the newest and most advanced smartwatch from Apple, and it comes with some impressive features and improvements over the previous models. But is it worth upgrading to the Series 9, or should you stick with your current Apple Watch? Let's find out. What's new in Apple Watch Series 9? The Apple Watch Series 9 looks very similar to the Series 8, with the same 41mm and 45mm sizes, the same OLED display, and the same design and colors. However, there are some subtle changes that make the Series 9 stand out. For example, the Series 9 has a slightly thinner and lighter case, thanks to a new battery technology that reduces the size and weight of the battery without compromising the battery life. One of these features is the blood pressure monitoring, which is one of the most anticipated and innovative features of the Series 9. The Series 9 also has some features that enhance your entertainment and convenience and use Siri more easily. The Series 9 also has a new wireless charging feature, which lets you charge your watch without a cable using any Qi-compatible wireless charger. The Series 9 also has a new always-on display feature, which keeps your watch face visible at all times, even when your wrist is down, and adjusts the brightness and the refresh rate to save battery. Is the Series 9 worth buying? The Series 9 is undoubtedly the best smartwatch that Apple has ever made, and it offers some amazing features and improvements that make it a worthy upgrade. The blood pressure monitoring feature alone is a game changer, and it can help you keep track of your health and prevent serious complications. The Series 9 also has a faster and more efficient processor, a thinner and lighter case, a better speaker and microphone, a wireless charging feature, and an always-on display feature, among others. However, the Series 9 is also the most expensive smartwatch that Apple has ever made, and it may not be affordable for everyone. The Series 9 also requires an iPhone 12 or later to pair with, which adds to the cost. The Series 9 also has some limitations, such as the battery life, which is still around 18 hours, and the compatibility, which is still limited to iOS devices. Therefore, the Series 9 is worth buying if you have the budget and the need for the new features, especially the blood pressure monitoring. The Series 9 is also worth buying if you have an older Apple Watch, such as the Series 6 or earlier, and you want to enjoy the latest performance and functionality. However, the Series 9 may not be worth buying if you have a tight budget or a newer Apple Watch, such as the Series 8 or the C, and you are satisfied with the current features and performance. In that case, you may want to wait for the next Apple Watch update, which may be even more exciting and innovative. For conclusion, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a fantastic smartwatch that offers some incredible features and improvements, such as the blood pressure monitoring, the ECG, the fall detection, the sleep tracking, the wireless charging, and the always-on display. The Series 9 is also a fast and efficient smartwatch, with a new processor, a new battery technology, a new speaker and microphone, and a new design and colors. The Series 9 is the ultimate smartwatch for your health, fitness, and lifestyle. And it is definitely worth considering if you are looking for a new smartwatch or an upgrade. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Apple Watch Series 9, and if you are planning to buy one or not. I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay tuned and stay techy.